Our diesel was chewing us alive. Running on generator is your last line of defense, to the extent that we actually even put 2 generators on each farm. So the one was the backup to the backup. That's how nervous we were about it. Our diesel was costing us in the region of 160 to 200,000 rand a month, which is devastating cost-wise. We sleep better at night when the generators are not running. We've been through the whole cycle on the site 1. The generator didn't start once. And then our second site was site 3, which is Bush Willow. We are harvesting on Thursday and the generator hasn't started once. Through stage 5, stage 6 load shedding, and it's been hot.
We are not handing over and running away. We would want to keep the communication lines as open as it was during construction. We need to maintain and operate the system for the next 10 years. And we would want it to happen in a seamless manner.